Cannot connect to the emergency.
This one was on the side of a 2-lane road, and it was a service van for a customer that we do plenty of work for. So you'll see Alan pull over, and he has all of his lights on. He's got his beacons on. He's got his strobe lights on. He's got his headlights on. Every possible light he could have going, but how close he came to hitting one of those cars. The girl in that Ford, whatever it was, just narrowly missed it. Great reaction skills, and probably saved her a ton of damage and maybe even her life.
You're ugly. Look at your teeth. Look at your teeth. No. Police. Aubrey, let me just do something. Hold on. Wait, I'm about to hit the car.
On my way to work when this weird guy approached.
Huh? Okay.
Yo, what the f***? You better get out of here, bro.
It's him. He's taking off. 814 Hartsville, he's taking off. He's right there at 810. He almost hit 810. I pinned him. I got him stopped. Get out of the car. Get out of it. Out of the car. Right now. Get out.
Hey, Swing Nate, I'm in the studio for hours. I'll be home a little late. I seen a partner, Robert's partner, really. I can't relate.
Metro. The iPhone 13 is on them.
Wait, Metro's got it covered?
Yeah, and iPhone 13 has a dual camera system. So what about that, Pix?
What about Pix are about to be on point?
Get iPhone 13 on us when you join. Only at Metro by T-Mobile.
With virtual MasterCard after third month.
Like digital cameras that make amateur photos.
Current loop video is now locked.
Items are being accepted. You dumb mother. News. Talk.
We'll just go the speed limit.
Got you on fuck. Let's see what we got here. We got BG6647.